Hi friends, today we are going to prepare a simple yet tasty snack item which is a great combination to a hot tea, that is sweet potato pakora. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. First, let's nicely clean the sweet potato in water, scrape the skin off and then thinly slice it. You can use the slicer or simply slice it with a knife to about this thickness. Now let's prepare the batter. For that, let us add half tablespoon of salt, quarter tablespoon of chili powder, quarter tablespoon of cumin powder, quarter tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 cup of gram flour, half tablespoon of oil and mix it well. Now let's add water little at a time and mix well to prepare a thick batter. You can also add a pinch of soda to this. To this, I am adding a pinch of hing and mix well. Now our batter is ready. Let's fry the pakoras. Heat the oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, dip the sweet potato slices in the batter so as to cover all the sides and deep fry in oil. Ensure the pan is not overcrowded. The pakoras are fried in one end, so let's flip them over, and once they start turning golden brown, remove them to a platter. Now our tasty sweet potato pakoras are ready. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye!